There are many ways to filter spreadsheet data in ONLYOFFICE. One of them is slicers for viewing values in your formatted table. Imagine you plan an annual budget. For every month, you calculate all expenses, such as raw materials, production cost, ads, rent, salaries, and so on. At first, the table was easy to navigate through, but it grows and gets pretty complicated. How to display production costs in April only. Select any cell in a formatted table, go to the Insert tab, and choose Slicer. A window opens where you can select columns for slicers, in our case, income and expenses, and April. We created slicers and need to choose necessary data, i.e. production cost, and here's how much we spent on production in April. You may also want to calculate costs for more data at once, say rent and salaries for the summer period. We'll need slicers for June, July, and August. With Multi-Select option enabled, choose Necessary Criteria. And here we go. In the Slicer Settings tab on the right side toolbar, you can edit size and position of slicers, their layout and style, or disable them from resizing or moving. You can also adjust the way data is sorted out, hide, and show empty cells, and much more. Please note that slicers can be added to formatted tables only. Try ONLYOFFICE in the cloud or deploy on your own server to explore all the features yourself. Subscribe to our official YouTube channel and don't miss videos about the other upcoming features.